microwave was not heating up. So after deconnecting it, I've done a replacement of the capacitor on the main LVT mode. This capacitor here with 16 volts and 1000 microfarads. When I did that, I found out that the current flow picked up. So these are the microfarads that have burned out from here. So I did replace it with another one, but of a high voltage. I gave it 25 volts and 220 microfarads. So when I replaced it, the machine picked up and now it's turning up. So I found out that the machine itself had a lot of things on this. So I did what? I did clean it and now it looks good. So as you can see, this is the thing I'm saying. This one here, the capacitor I've replaced. I also cleaned this fiber here because when you press this here, it was not counting on the screen here. So I did cleaned it well, and I checked on the switch. Now when you open up this, this door here, the switches are off. This is a switch, and this switch, as you can see, it doing. Can hear it doing tack tack. I can see. You can hear. There are 3 of them. This 1, 2, and 3. So when you close your door, you power on those switches, and the fan rotates very highly. That means the capacitor here has the current, which is very high current. This one inaweza kupika shoti mpaka ukakuni, inakupika mpaka unakuni. Hii it can take you to heaven directly. I checked on the magnetron here. This is the main thing that makes this thing work. Without this, it cannot burn. So I checked on it; it was good, and the capacitor here, this one was good also. The transformer here was good, but the problem was here on the main BCD board. I also replaced this one is a fuse. It had died. This one has died. It has broken. It was open. So I replaced it. This inductor was good on my measurement. The resistors here was good. So I did all that, and my dear, as you can down here when I measured this one on my measurement, I found it. It was not tripping. So when I put this measurement on a diode mount and take a measurement of this high voltage diode, find out that it's not fitting at both ends and not counting on both ends. That means that high voltage is good. High voltage diode is good. And you can also measure it by the capacitor by placing this one drop is a negative drop on this and laying on the bottom of the capacitor. So if you find no reading, the capacitor is good. When you change it and replace the same to the same, when it's not reading, the capacitor is good. No? So I've done that and it's okay, it's working. Okay, as you can see, hii ni maandazi ya mtoto nimeichoma. So the mkate sasa imeungua ndani, unaona? It's burned this thing to that point. can see. I also did warm this water from this cup, and it got hot. So I saw steam coming out. So my friends, pick up. If you have anything, if you have anything to ask, call. My number is in my bio.